Crossbred cows are calving daily. Biggest calf in there's a couple of these calves weigh 300. One of the black mane Angus bull. Lots of calves on these cows. There's 75 head in the offering. 2 cows calved this morning. 3/4 Bremer calf. Cow and calves are calling perfect. Yeah, there's nice ranching cows, guys, will not cost your arm and leg. Some of these, I need to repalpate them because when I marked them down at 7 months bred, my guy putting tags in here, so on 7 meant July, but actually meant 7 months bred. So they're all 6 to 8 months bred. Again, there's half have already calved out. I have a main Angus bull with these females. He's up getting water now, but some should be 3-1s, already starting to cycle back. There's nice young ranching cows, will not cost you arm and leg, guys. Woo! A few black cows, most red hiding kind of cows. Good disposition on these cattle. You can probably see these are South Texas cattle, but they're all grazing. Good clover. Woo! Anyways, 2 minutes video footage. Nice from crossbred cows. They're mine. Outside of Boling. Cattle calving left and right. Just nice crossbred cows, guys. Will not cost your arm and leg. Lots of the years left in these females. Again, they having 75 head, 30 some odd calves on the ground. More being born daily. You know I am playing hobbits. Couple of nice ranching pairs and heavy breds in Boling, Texas. Thanks for your time.